Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Multibit token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Multibit is the first ever dual-sided bridge designed for easy cross-network transfer between BRC20 and ERC20 tokens through promoting unmatched liquidity for these tokens. Multibit heightens cross-chain interoperability. Their mission is simple: to foster increased liquidity and accessibility for BRC and ERC20 tokens in a secure and user-friendly manner. Multibit operates as a cryptocurrency wallet designed to enhance the ease of transferring BRC20 tokens between Bitcoin and Ethereum virtual machine (EVM) networks. This platform it stands out for its dual functionality, serving as a bridge that facilitates seamless cross-network transfer of BRC20 and ERC20 tokens. By doing so, it significantly improves liquidity and interoperability between these two major blockchain ecosystems. Multibit project institution rating is 3.7. Multibit token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 950 million MUBI token. MUBI token is listed on MEXC, KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.